The pressure you feel on your shoulders, holding you in place. The hand that grips your throat, silencing your voice, filtering your message. The force that stands before you, whispering fears and doubts into your mind. That surge of anxiety inside that seduces you with lies of unworthiness and false beliefs. That's within you. Forever trying to carve yourself down enough to fit into a role that was never even created for you, holding yourself back based on the perceived expectations of others. It's in the thought patterns we bind ourselves to, the ones based on the ways of the past, the ways of the world, the ways of the masses, that keep us trapped in a mold we simply don't fit in. And here's the thing, who you are isn't who you always have to be, and who you've been isn't who you are becoming. And it's okay if today you're completely brand new, and tomorrow if you do it again, that's okay too. As you unravel yourself from the chains of expectation, the fabrics of attachment, the energy of the status quo, when you excavate all the shoulds that occupy the caverns in your mind, and you uproot the beliefs that have taken up acreage in your power center, and you unplug from the fear that surges within the chambers of your heart, you're left with a sense of spaciousness. Some feel empty, a sense of bareness, rawness, like freshly tilled soil that hasn't been utilized for seed yet, and still so valuable. And in that spaciousness, when the discomfort of the unknown sets in, when you notice the void that people and things once filled and it seems like it will never be full again, I ask you to wait. To simply be, instead of falling back and filling the empty space with the old and the comfortable. Can you trust? Can you be? It takes time to find stability as you walk in your essence. It takes experience and failure and learning about all the things we want and all the things we don't. Every experience and metamorphosis is a simple refining, a shedding as you get closer and closer to who you are. And it's not strange that you feel lost. Nothing is wrong with you because you don't know the way. And I promise you, you are never alone in your fear. You are walking in an unknown planet, in a strange skin. You are playing with energies and creating new worlds. Of course, it will feel scary and like you don't fit in. You were never meant to.